how to sell videos, video clips, video footage through SmugMug. I've got lots of different videos how to use SmugMug. SmugMug is a photographer's photo sharing platform, but you can store, share and sell videos too, which is why I'm doing the video for you. So here we go. This is how you can sell your videos through SmugMug. Upload into a SmugMug gallery your videos. So title, you're going to give the gallery a title. Video footage will be fine. Description and meta keywords are part of the SEO, which works really well when you fill it in. If you are wanting your videos to turn up online in the search results so you can sell them, or you might be selling them another way by just being able to send them online to a handful of people, and it's not so important. But I say, if you want it to turn up in the search results, then fill that in, the description and the meta keywords, and your custom URL is important too. I have a full video on the SmugMug gallery. It's not complicated, but there's loads and loads of settings, and it'll depend, you know, what you're doing as to what you need. Okay, so the security and sharing. Public is anyone. Anyone's going to see it. Right? It's going to turn up in the search results when you fill in that description and put the keywords in. Unlisted anyone with the link is what it says. It's unlisted, so only anyone with the link can see the video. Ideal if you are selling direct to somebody, a group of people, whatever, you will share the gallery link and only they can see, whoever has got the link can see it and buy. And then private only me is if you want to store privately your videos here. Then there's other settings, but then if we go to shopping, visitor shopping cart on or off. If you're storing privately, off. If you're just wanting to show videos but not sell them, off. But this video is about selling your video, so leave that on. Okay, there are free apps to upload your video footage, but I'm going to just browse computer, and I've got a little GoPro video clip of the plug holes which I will upload into this gallery, which doesn't take that long. Okay, so that's one happier photo, but it is a video in there. So if I click the cross, this has taken us into the Organise area, and here is my video footage. And if I click site homepage, there is my gallery, what I've just created, and down the side it's the same thing, the video footage. So I would click on there, double click there, there is the video I've just uploaded. There we go, there's that little video clip. Okay, so if we click the cross to close, we're still in the Organise area, and this is my little video footage gallery, isn't it? Yep. So view on site. Now on the actual SmugMug website, my SmugMug website, and at the moment it's saying buy photos there, but when I click on, oh hang on, when I click on that basket, at the moment it's saying no products are available for this video. So let's click out of there. What we want to do, because we need to set the price for the video, is go up to the selling tools, price list, so we want to manage. I'm on the pro account, so I've got all the features what SmugMug offer on the pro account. Selling a video, if you are just selling videos, I suggest that you create a new price list. I'm going to click create new. I'm going to give it a name. Although you're not selling photography, still choose a print lab. For the UK, it's Loxley Colour. In America, we've got those two, look, Bay Photo and that one. Currency, you want to be paid in pounds if you're in the UK or wherever other country you are. There's all these different, however you want to be paid. Colour correction, up to you. If you're selling photos. Suggested products and pricing. If we turn that off, now you are going to have a completely blank price list. And you can just add your videos in. If you leave suggested pricing on, you're going to have every single photography product, wall art, prints, whatever else, all the keepsakes, in the price list, as well as them having to add in your videos. So I would leave it off, the suggested pricing, continue, continue, create price list. Oh, it already exists, does it now? Videos 1, continue, continue, create. So the price list is empty. Choose products. Now here, download personal video license. So you can either choose both or just one. And you've got your commercial video license. Again, you can choose both or just choose one. You've got everything else in there as well. But at the moment we are just selling videos. Done. And you'll go to the two products we chose, which was a single video, personal license and a commercial video license. Click on the single video and you will put in your price. You just remove the price and type in whatever. I mean, I don't know what videos sell for. Video clips. Let's put, you know, I could be way off the mark here, I don't know. It's just an example. Then, I'm on the pro account, so I need to apply this video price list to the galleries. I want this price list to go on. And in this case, this video footage, I want the video price list on. Done. Apply changes. Now if we go back to Organise, find the video footage gallery, we can go up to the settings, check that the shopping cart is on, which it is, save. Now view on site. That is the gallery. You can obviously have 10 videos within this. You can have as many videos as you like, within reason, in here. There's just one video. I'm logged in. So it's still saying you can't buy it. But here, if I get this link, copy and paste, copy that link to that particular video, and it's saying here, buy video. What's going to go off? Still says, because I'm logged in. Go here, paste the link. I'm not logged in to my SmugMug account here, so if I'd shared that link to somebody, or shared it on Facebook, shared it wherever, through email, now, single video, can buy that. That's the commercial one, wasn't it? Commercial license. Now to play that video, when I'm not logged in, up here, play slideshow. There we go. So whoever you've shared the video to can play the video to see if they want to buy it. And then buy video. Now one other thing, well, a couple of other things. One main thing, you may want to change what you would call the cover photo or the thumbnail. Let's click off there. So back into my website where I'm logged in. What you will do to change the cover photo, so you're going to click on your photo, on your video, and here, Tools, Replace Preview. And here we go. This is the video and that's what it looks like at the moment. You can choose a file and this will come from anywhere, and I've already made this little cover photo. I'm going to click Replace. There you go, we got it. Give us a few minutes to swap it. There we go. I'm sure your cover photo will be a lot better than that, but that's just an example. There we go. It has a different, well, it has a photo on the video now. I'll take you into the video. So if you're going to have, well, I have got about 10 clips of the plug holes, and if I upload all 10 video clips, they all look exactly the same. So that's how you can add a cover photo by going Replace Preview. And one last thing, if you want to sell the videos straight from your SmugMug website, so if you're using this, you can have a website, you can sell it straight off the home page, off any page. Click cross, you want site. This is my home page of my dog photography website, but what we're going to do, customize design. That's just a really basic way of showing you how you can do this. So I'm going to add the video. You can add YouTube and Vimeo, but I want the video which is already stored here. I'm going to drop video. That's going to take me back by clicking that video. I'm going to choose the video, the plug holes, done. You can have autoplay, right, done. So we have the actual video. If I click the plus button, the content block again, I'm now going to add galleries. Oops. Galleries. And you just go where the arrow is, it's dead nice and simple. Drop that at the side. I don't want all those galleries, so if I click that wrench icon, select from galleries, choose the gallery, which is that gallery, which would have a far better title. Done. Now at the moment, that is a tiny grid, because the layout is grid, which would be fine if you had 10 galleries. But also, I'm going to change the size of the photo to medium. This is the gallery, and get it more of a landscape feel. You can have original, I think, can you? Oh no, I'll go for that one. Done. I'm going to preview. So now we've got the video, which people can watch straight on the website, and they can also go into the gallery and buy it too. I'm logged in when they're not logged in. So there you go, that's how you can sell your videos or video footage, video clips through SmugMug. I do have other videos how to use SmugMug, including the website templates, which are dead easy to use. I've got a video how to use that, and I'll put the link above to the tutorials. And I've got a discount off any new SmugMug account.